I turn on the water. I step into the shower. Ah! The water is cold. This is an easy English story. Listen and learn. I am in the bathroom. It is morning. I need to take a shower. I have work today. I need to be clean. I touch the water. I check again. Still cold. I turn on the handle. I wait a moment. Nothing changes. I feel confused. Why is it cold? I look at myself in the mirror. My hair is messy. My hair is very messy. I smell a little. Not good. I need a shower. I need it now. I turn the handle again. I wait. I check again. Still cold. I feel worried. I feel stressed. I step back. I think, what can I do? I go to the garage. It is dark. I look at the water machine. I check it. I press a button. I wait. Nothing happens. I feel confused. I feel worried. I go back to the bathroom. I look at the shower. I look at the handle. I turn it slowly. I stop. I turn it the other way. I wait again. I check again. Still cold. Wait. I look closer. I look at the colours. Blue. Red. I look again. I think again. Oh. I turn the handle to red. I wait. The water changes. It is warm now. I smile. I feel better. I step into the shower again. Ah, warm water. I relax. I take my shower. I am clean. Today I take a shower. The water is cold. I check again. I turn the handle. Still cold. I feel confused. My hair is messy. I smell a little. I go to the garage. I check the machine. Nothing happens. I go back. I look at the colours. Blue. Red. I turn it to red. The water is warm. I feel better. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.